Hello students, welcome to the Mathematica. In lecture 3 of this series of matrices, we have done how to multiply two matrices. Now in this lecture, we are going to do properties of matrix operations, properties of matrix addition and matrix multiplication. So let's see. First property is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. What we mean by commutative is for two matrices A and B of same order m by n. Because we have to define addition, so we have to take the matrices of same order. So A plus B is always equal to B plus A. The last property as seen in the previous lecture was we can have A into B equal to 0 where A and B are both non-zero. So from there we can see that there are a few properties which are holding for real numbers or complex numbers but not for matrices. So in this lecture we are going to observe them. So first property, matrix addition is commutative. Just like two numbers, we do A plus B is equal to B plus A. We can write in matrices also A plus B is equal to B plus A. So we are not going into the proofs, but I will elaborate these with the help of examples. So let's see. Let's take A equal to this 2 by 3 matrix 1 0 2 2 1 3 and B equal to 2 by 3 matrix 1 2 3 0 1 4. Then let's see what is A plus B. A plus B is entry wise addition, that is 1 plus 1 2 0 plus 2 2 2 plus 3 5 2 plus 0 2 and similarly it will be 2 and this will be 7. Now we calculate B plus A. See, B plus A. In writing B plus A, we are going to write B first. B is 1 2 3 0 1 4. So it is 1 2 3 0 1 4 plus A is 1 0 2 2 1 3. So this is 1 0 2 2 1 3 and we get this is equal to 2 2 5 2 2 7. So here you see A plus B is also same 2 2 5 2 2 7 and B plus A is also same. So we get A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now let's discuss the same commutative property for matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication in general is not commutative. That means for a few matrices, in particular if you take both the matrices, diagonal matrices, you can observe that AB is always equal to BA. But in general, this is not the case. AB is not equal to BA in general is not true. So let's see how. Let's take two matrices, same order n cross n. Because if they are not of same order, then we have already seen that AB and BA are not of same order and we can directly say that they are not equal. So here I am taking a particular case if they are of same order n cross n. So let's see, let's take A equal to this 2 cross 2 matrix 1 2 3 4 and B equal to 1 0 0 2. Now let's try and calculate AB. So AB is A is 1 2 3 4, B is 1 0 0 2. When we multiplying, we have learnt in the previous lecture that how to multiply two matrices. So here I am not going to explain it again. I am just writing what will be AB. So that will be 1, 4, 3 and 8. Now we see BA. BA is 1 0 0 2 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 and this is equal to 1 2 6 8. See, AB and BA are not same. Next property is associative. Associative means that if we apply operation between three matrices, then what kind of result we can observe by changing their order. See, matrix addition is associative. What we mean by that is, let's take three matrices A, B and C of same order. Because we are talking about addition, we will be taking the matrices of same order. Then A plus B plus C is same as A plus B plus C. That means if we add A and B first and add the result to C, or if we add B and C first and add the result to A, then it makes no difference. So let's see the example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2. And C is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let's see the first left side, A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C, that is matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B is 1, 0, 0, 2. So first we will be adding these two. So I am writing C as it is. We get 2, 2, 3, 6. Plus C is 1, 2, 1, 2. So we get this is equal to 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. Now let's see the right hand side. A plus B plus C. A as it is. First of all, we have to add B and C. B is 1, 0, 0, 2 plus C is 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we write A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this will be 1 plus 1, 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4. That is 3, 4, 4, 8. See, it is same as this. So we have A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now let's check the same property for three matrices A, B and C under multiplication. So associativity holds under multiplication also. But A, B, C, they have to be of suitable order so that the matrix multiplication is defined. So let's see. Then we will have A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So again we will understand it with the help of example. So let's take A, same as we have taken in the previous example, 1, 2, 3, 4. B we take 1, 0, 0, 2. And C we take 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's solve the left hand side. AB into C. That is A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 0, 0, 2 multiply by C. That would be 1. If you multiply these two, we will get 4. Applying the second row first column, we will get 3. Applying the second row second column, 8. Multiplied by C, that is 1, 2, 1, 2. And this we will get 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 8, 11. And 6 plus 16, 22. Now let's solve the right hand side, A into B into C. So we keep A as it is, B is 1, 0, 0, 2 and C is 1, 2, 1, 2. That is A as it is and we get 1, 2, 2, 4. Multiplying it with A is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 2, 4. We get first row, first column, that is 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 8, 10, 3 plus 8, 11, and 6 plus 16, 22. See, these two are same. So associativity holds under matrix multiplication also. Now comes identity. So in matrix addition, identity always exists. What do I mean by identity? Identity element in a set under some operation exist means there exists some element such that I add it to every other element, I get the same answer. That means there exists here in particular 0 matrix, such that for every other matrix A, if we take suitable order matrix of having all entries 0, we will get A plus 0 is A. Let's see with the help of example. If we take the matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 4, then since A is of order 2 cross 2, we have to take 0 matrix of order 2 cross 2 in order that A plus 0 is defined. So let's see, then A plus 0 matrix of order 2 cross 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 0, 0, 0, 0. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is the identity matrix under addition. Identity matrix under multiplication also exists. Let us observe it. Let's take A, the same matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take identity, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 of order 2 cross 2, because identity is a square matrix. And because we have to define A in times identity, so number of columns in A is same as number of rows in identity, which is 2. That means identity will be identity matrix of order 2. Now, A times identity is 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 0, 0, 1. By multiplication, we see that it is again 1, 2, 3, 4. That is again A. Also, we can observe that identity into A is also A. So, identity matrix is the identity element of 2 by 2 matrices if we are taking identity of order 2 by 2 under matrix multiplication. If we are taking a square matrix of order 3, then it will be identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now let's talk about the case if A is not a square matrix. So see, if I take A is equal to this matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 1. It is of order 2 by 3. So in order to justify the identity multiplication, I will take identity of order 3 cross 3. So that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If you do the multiplication AI, this will be 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 1, 0, 0. It will give us 1, 2, 3 again and 2, 0, 1 again. That is A again. But if we multiply identity into A, this is 3 by 3 matrix, this is 2 by 3 matrix. The multiplication will not be defined if we take identity of order 3 cross 3. See, this is 3 cross 3, A is of order 2 cross 3. These two elements, they do not match. It is not defined. So whenever we are talking about identity, we are talking about square matrices only. We are not talking about non-square matrices. Of course, if we take identity matrix here of order 2 cross 2, then identity A will be defined and we will again get A. But then this identity is not same as this identity. We need a unique element for which AI is same as IA is same as A. A must have same order. These two I's are equal of same order. So in this way, we can see that if we don't have a square matrix, we don't have identity. Distributive law. Distributive law is for 3 matrices A, B and C, we have A into B plus C. That is, matrix multiplication is distributive over the matrix addition. Now this law is giving us relation between addition and multiplication. So A into B plus C is same as AB plus AC. And B plus C into A is same as BA plus CA. Now, one of them I am going to elaborate through the examples. So again, let's take A 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 0, 0, 2. And C is 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let's see left side A into B plus C. So A 1, 2, 3, 4 into B plus C. When we add B and C, we get 2, 2, 1, 4. Now take the multiplication 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 8, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 16, 22. So here we get the left side A into B plus C. Now we will try to solve the right side AB plus AC. So let's see. Again I am writing AB plus AC is A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 0, 0, 2 plus A 1, 2, 3, 4. C is 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do AB. AB is 1, 4, 3, 8. And here it is 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 8, 14. So we get 4, 10, 10, 22. Here we go. 4, 10, 10, 22. So we have proved that A into B plus C is same as AB plus AC. Now the second part, try to prove it yourself with the same example. That's all for now. In the next lecture, we will be doing transpose of a matrix and its properties. Thank you. Have a nice day.